Welcome to the Getting Started video for the Valleylab Exchange Software Update System. The following presentation will provide information for installing Valleylab Exchange Software Update System on the web-connected computer in your clinical engineering area, followed by performing a force triad software update. Valleylab Exchange software is available for download directly from our webpage at www.valleylab.com. If you have just recently taken delivery of your Force Triad, you will find a copy of the installation CD and user's guide. Here we begin the process of installation on the Clinical Engineering Department's web-connected PC. Once the CD is inserted into the service PC, it will auto-run and present screens to aid with the installation process. This screen shows the Force Triad agent software as well as an option to select the WinVNC component to be downloaded to the PC. Loading the WinVNC application will allow remote desktop assistance from a Valleylab support team member. This is an option, and if you have any questions concerning the configuration or setup of the WinVNC application, please contact the IT department of your site. If WinVNC is already installed on the PC, do not install it now. Deselect it. For this tutorial, we're going to install both. Any box on this screen with a red asterisk next to it is mandatory. Warning screens will appear if mandatory information is not entered properly, and you will not be able to proceed. This is hospital name and address information. This next screen is very important. These email addresses will be used to notify your hospital of the availability of Force Triad software updates. When you click Next, you'll be asked if you wish to use a proxy server for connection to the Valleylab Exchange server. If you're not sure, please consult with your IT department. For this example, we'll click No. Before installation begins, you're asked to review the settings and information you've provided. We click Next and the installation begins. Installation time may vary depending on the performance of your computer system and hospital network. Included in the Valleylab Exchange Service Agent software is the Valleylab Exchange Software Update System Connection Tool. This utility gives you the opportunity to check the communication link between your service PC and the Valleylab Exchange Software Update server. This screen will appear during the installation phase of the Valleylab Exchange Service Agent software. Selecting Yes will take you to the testing screen. Selecting No will complete the installation of the Valleylab Exchange Service Agent software. If you choose Yes to check the connection, this screen appears and will have direct connection to Internet options selected by default. To test your connection, select the Test button and the communication link will be tested. If there is a good communication link, the test status will indicate communication with the server was successful. Select Exit to close the utility. If the communication link to the server fails, the test status will indicate Cannot communicate with the server. This indicates that there is a communication problem between the service PC and the Valleylab Exchange Software Update System server. You may have to use your facility's proxy server. Selecting the proxy server required option will allow you to enter your facility's proxy server address and port information. Contact your facility IT department for assistance with proxy server information. To enter your facility's proxy server settings, select the Change button of the Proxy Server Settings section. These screens will allow you to enter your proxy server information and let you choose which type of authentication you would like to use. The Valleylab Exchange Software Update System Connection tool also gives you the option to check the communication link between the service PC and the Force Triad Energy platform. Select the Valleylab Generator tab from this screen. This screen will appear to allow you to test the connection. Ensure that the Force Triad Energy platform is turned on and that the RS-232 cable is connected from the Force Triad Energy platform to the service PC. Select the Test button to test the connection. If there is a good connection between the service PC and the Force Triad Energy Platform, the test status will show Detected Energy Platform with the serial number of the energy platform. If the service PC cannot communicate with the Force Triad Energy Platform, the test status will indicate Cannot communicate with the energy platform. Check your serial port settings. Verify that the RS-232 cable is connected and working properly, and that the Force Triad Energy Platform is turned on and has completed its startup routine. Also verify that the Force Triad Energy Platform has no error messages indicated on the screens. Selecting Exit will close the Valleylab Exchange Software Update System Connection tool. After the Valleylab Exchange Service Agent software has been installed and the computer has been restarted, a connection utility icon will appear on your desktop. To check the communication link at any time, double-click on this icon and the utility will open and you can test the connection. As with most software, you are required to restart your PC to complete the process. Choose Yes and then Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Valleylab Exchange Software Update System.